Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go your Play Store. When you tap on your Play Store, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here at the top of the screen you can see a logo or a DP of your Gmail account. Just simply tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account, and at the corner of your Gmail account you can see a type of arrow. Just simply tap on this arrow. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, and a new option of add another account you can see on your screen. Just simply tap on add another account. Okay, when you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts related to your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. Okay, you can select any one of these accounts. In my case, I select the second one. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here you can see option of remove account. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new pop-up window you can see on your screen, just like that. Here just tap on OK button. When you tap on this OK button, you can see the Gmail account from your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has been removed. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.